Letters of intent are preliminary agreements outlining the terms of a potential deal or transaction. These agreements often fall into a gray area of contract law, straddling the line between binding and non-binding agreements. We'll explore this line in Weigel Broadcasting Company versus TV49. TV49, a television station, signed a letter of intent to negotiate its sale to Weigel Broadcasting Company. The letter described the proposed sale terms as non-binding, but required TV49 to cease negotiations with other parties upon signing. The letter also stated that the parties would negotiate and execute a definitive purchase agreement within 40 days. Shortly before the 40-day deadline, Weigel sent TV49 a draft purchase agreement, but the station didn't respond until after the deadline expired. The parties then argued over certain terms in the agreement, and Weigel warned that it would withdraw from the transaction unless TV49 agreed to specific demands. TV49 informed Weigel that it wouldn't accept its demands and began negotiations with another prospective buyer. Weigel sued TV49 for breach of contract, arguing that the letter of intent was a binding agreement that required the parties to negotiate exclusively and in good faith. Weigel claimed that TV49 breached this agreement by withholding certain documents from negotiations and by entertaining a third party's offer. Weigel sought specific performance and an injunction barring TV49 from selling to another buyer, or in the alternative, damages. TV49 moved for summary judgment, arguing that the letter of intent was non-binding and imposed no obligations on either party. The court considered the station's motion.